In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get financing for a laundromat. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase some of the options that you have when it comes to getting loans or financing a laundromat. For this video, I want to showcase the options that the Bank of America offers. As you might expect, you can choose whichever bank you prefer. As long as they have the option to give you a business financing service, you will be able to use the bank financing services for a laundromat. So all that you have to do is visit your bank of choice. This can either be physically through a branch, on the website, on a web browser, on your computer or your phone, or even through the mobile app. Usually, the option for you to explore financing options is going to be available when you switch over from personal to small business. Since you are trying to acquire a laundromat, I believe that the best course of action is to switch over to the business account type, but you can consider getting a personal loan if you think it might work best for you. All that you have to do after you switch categories to businesses is use the lending option on the menu at the top of the screen. This might differ depending on the bank that you chose, but all you have to do to get a laundromat and get financing is to explore all businesses financing options that your preferred bank of choice offers. Usually they're going to have different types, for example, a credit line cash secured, term loan, and other types that you can find by scrolling down. I cannot guarantee that any of these will be the best option for you. You have to explore all of these and see their options according to the loan amount, interest rate, and the terms. As long as you are able to get a business loan from any bank that offers the service, you will be able to get financing for a laundromat. Make sure that you are aware of all the qualifications, requirements, and you will be able to apply either online, or usually this process is best done after you schedule an appointment and you physically go to a branch. If your bank of choice offers you the option to do this process online, simply follow the instructions on screen, but for the most part, and for more security guarantee because of all the contracts that are involved, it is best done through an actual physical branch. So schedule an appointment, use your zip code, find locations near you, and as long as you visit any of the locations listed here, you will be able to be in touch with a specialist and they will help you get financing for a laundromat as long as your preferred bank offers businesses financing services. I hope I was able to help you on how to get financing for a laundromat. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.